Welcome back to Turbomechanics. The 2026 Audi Q8 represents yet another significant milestone in the brand's pursuit of a daring and elegant SUV design that seamlessly integrates exceptional performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort. The Q8, Audi's premier SUV, has consistently embodied a harmonious blend of sophistication and sportiness, and the 2026 model pushes the boundaries even further. Refined styling, enhanced performance capabilities, advanced hybrid technology, and an interior that epitomizes the pinnacle of contemporary innovation and craftsmanship comprise this revised version. The 2026 Audi Q8 is designed to revolutionize the premium SUV experience by integrating advanced connectivity, performance, and luxury in a seamless manner, thereby establishing a new benchmark for Audi's SUV lineup. The 2026 Audi Q8 is a testament to Audi's capacity to seamlessly integrate power and precision in terms of performance. These SUV provides a variety of powertrain options to accommodate both traditional enthusiasts and those who prioritize hybrid efficiency. The base model is anticipated to be available with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that generates approximately 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine will be mated to Audi's 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and the brand's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system. This configuration guarantees a responsive and effortless driving experience, regardless of whether the vehicle is cruising along highways or negotiating narrow corners. The Q860 TSI plug-in hybrid variant is an ideal combination of sustainability and power for drivers who desire an increased level of exhilaration. This version generates a remarkable combined output of approximately 455 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque by integrating the 3.0-liter V6 with an electric motor. The 2026 Q8 is an excellent choice for urban commuting as it can travel up to 40 miles entirely on electric power thanks to its sophisticated hybrid system without sacrificing performance. The electric assist also enhances acceleration and responsiveness by providing immediate torque. Audi SQ8 and RSQ8 variants continue to provide high-performance thrills at the pinnacle of the range. It is anticipated that the RSQ8 will maintain its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which is capable of producing over 600 horsepower and enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.6 seconds. This level of performance positions the Q8 in competition with the most elite SUVs from BMW and Mercedes-AMG, while still preserving Audi's signature refinement. The Q8's exceptional performance in any situation is guaranteed by the adaptive air suspension system and Audi Drive Select mode, which enable drivers to customize the SUV's handling, steering, and ride comfort. The 2026 Audi Q8's engineering prioritizes both efficiency and performance. The engines are equipped with sophisticated turbocharging technology and mild hybrid systems that recuperate energy during deceleration and braking. Throughout the lineup, this 48-volt mild hybrid configuration is the standard, which enhances fuel economy and facilitates gentler acceleration during start-stop operations. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions further enhance efficiency. The Q8 TSI models employ a lithium-ion battery pack that can be recharged using both domestic AC chargers and fast DC charging stations, in addition to a powerful electric motor. Audi has also improved its thermal management system to guarantee optimal battery temperature and longevity, which improves overall efficiency and reliability. The driving experience will be effortless as drivers anticipate seamless transitions between electric and combustion power. The engines of the new Q8 are designed to generate substantial mid-range torque, which facilitates both highway driving and overtaking in a smooth and potent manner. Furthermore, Audi's attention to reducing vibrations and enhancing refinement ensures that the 2026 Q8 maintains its reputation for quiet and comfortable driving, even at high velocities. Luxury occupies the primary position within the 2026 Audi Q8. Audi's contemporary design philosophy is evident in the cabin, which seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with premium materials. The ergonomic configuration guarantees that each control is readily accessible to the driver, while soft leather, brushed aluminum, and natural wood accents contribute to an ambience of sophistication. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system, which comprises a 10.1-inch upper display for navigation and entertainment, and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate and comfort functions, continues to be the focal point of the interior. The system seamlessly integrates with smartphones via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing fast response times, crisp graphics, and the most recent iteration of Audi's MMI Touch Response interface. A 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus display that is entirely digital offers customizable information, including speed, navigation, and driver assist data. The Q8 provides remarkable comfort to its passengers with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats available for both the front and rear seats. The rear seats are equipped with adjustable reclining mechanisms, which enhance the overall comfort of extended trips. Additionally, they provide ample legroom. Multiple color options are available to accommodate various driving conditions or personal preferences, thereby enhancing the mood of ambient illumination throughout the cabin. Even at highway velocities, Audi's dedication to sound insulation guarantees that the interior remains at a whisper-quiet level. The Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system transforms every journey into an immersive audio experience, providing audiophiles with crystal-clear sound quality. The 2026 Q8's interior is a new standard in luxury SUV design, featuring premium craftsmanship, sophisticated digital displays, and meticulous attention to detail. The 2026 Audi Q8's exterior maintains the aggressive, athletic design that distinguishes Audi's contemporary lineup, but with updated details that underscore sophistication and dynamism. The front end is characterized by a broader single-frame grille with a more sculpted honeycomb pattern, which is complemented by matrix LED headlights that are crisper and incorporate the most recent illumination technology from Audi. The daytime running lights have been updated with a new animated sequence, which enhances the SUV's futuristic-looking appearance. The Q8 maintains a sleek and coupe-like appearance with a sloping roofline that provides a sporty posture without sacrificing interior space. Powerful proportions are underscored by the SUV's prominent tire arches and robust shoulder lines. Buyers have the option of selecting 20 to 23-inch alloy rims with distinctive designs that improve the vehicle's road presence, contingent upon the trim. The LED taillight strip, which spans the entire breadth at the rear, now includes new dynamic animations that complement the front lighting signature. The SUV's commanding presence is attributed to the chrome exhaust tips and incorporated rear diffuser. For those who desire an even more aggressive appearance, the S-Line and RS-Q8 versions feature sportier bumpers, blacked-out trim, and carbon fiber accents that bolster their performance-oriented identity. Audi also provides a diverse selection of exterior colors, such as new metallic and matte finishes that emphasize the SUV's sculpted lines. The 2026 Q8's aerodynamic enhancements not only enhance the overall driving experience by reducing wind disturbance, but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. It is anticipated that the 2026 Audi Q8 will continue to be one of the most premium SUVs in Audi's lineup, with a price that is indicative of its performance and opulence. It is anticipated that the base Q855 TSI model will be priced at approximately $78,000 and will provide a comprehensive package with robust performance and sophisticated features. The plug-in hybrid Q860 TSI is anticipated to be priced at approximately $90,000, making it an attractive option for individuals who prioritize both performance and environmentally conscious transportation. The SQ8 is expected to be priced at approximately $105,000 and will provide performance devotees with sportier styling and improved dynamics. The RSQ8 is the top-tier model and is expected to cost $130,000 or more. It will provide supercar-level performance in an SUV body. The 2026 Audi Q8 is the culmination of Audi's engineering and design development. The new Q8 is a testament to Audi's dedication to excellence, boasting a refined exterior, a luxurious and technologically advanced interior, and an impressive selection of powertrains that seamlessly combine efficiency and performance. Every iteration of the Q8 provides a distinctive blend of innovation, comfort, and power, whether it is the refined hybrid system in the TSI-E or the potent V8 in the RSQ8. The 2026 Q8 is one of the most eagerly anticipated luxury SUVs on the market, as it not only exemplifies modern luxury but also represents Audi's vision for the future of sustainable performance.